day, so bright and hot. Little kid said, ice cream, I want a lot. Mama smiled and shook her head. Too much sugar is not good, she said. Kid got sad and made a face. Ran to Dad at a super speed pace. Pop, 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 ice cream, please. Dad just smiled and said with ease. To the kitchen, Dad went fast. Let's make something healthy that lasts. Watermelon juicy, red and sweet. Healthy ice cream, cool to eat. Blend it, freeze it, wait a while. Kid kept watching with a smile. Ready now, Dad gave a cheer. Healthy ice cream is finally here. Kid took a bite, eyes went wide. Yummy, Papa, this is the best ride. Mama came and smiled so bright. Healthy treats can taste just right. Now they laugh and eat together.